Hey guys, here's a new fan I got today. This is an air-cool floral hugger ceiling fan. At least I think it's an air-cool. It doesn't really have that many like stickers on it. It doesn't have like a manufacturer or anything, but I think it's air-cool. It's a floral hugger, so it has flowers all over it. And up there. This fan's from 1985, so it's 40 years old. I got this off of Marketplace for 20 bucks. It's pretty close to me, only 20 minutes. But it has 3 pull chains, one for the up light and one for the down light. Cool thing about this fan is that it has all of this, it's all glass. So it's all glass around, and it has 4 lights inside there, inside the motor housing. And then the glass screws on by these thumb screws all around there. It's an antique brass. Here's some of the floral patterns. Some of them are faded though. I don't know why it doesn't have like the glass inserts on the blades, but it has oak with stencil. Just the plain up there. There's more. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty cool fan. It's definitely unique. I don't have anything like this with the uplight. So yeah, turn on the light. There's the uplight. This motor's pretty heavy too. Turn off the main light so you can see what it looks like without the light. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like a little, just 4 little appliance bulbs up in there. And those are the bulbs that came with the fan, and they all work. Some of the ones down here, they were burnt out. And this fan was disgusting. It was filthy. All the glass, it was all dusty. Like these shades were brown. That's how disgusting it was. But yeah, and I like it much more than I thought I would. I thought I wasn't really gonna like this fan because of the floral design, but I like it. But here's the bottom, the down light. There's it just with the down light. Turn on to low. It's got pretty low arms too, lay brackets. But yeah, if you know what this fan is, let me know, because I have no idea. It has a nice slow speed. Bearings are a little noisy though, but I oiled them. It has a long spin down time as well. There's a little move up to medium. It shakes a lot. And it shakes a lot more whenever all the fans around it is on. Blows a pretty good amount of air too for a hugger. I don't think there's any fan that's more 80s than this, because this fan definitely screams 80s. Went to high. Also wobbles a little bit too. Lights back on. I'll turn it off. So yeah, that's it. Bye.